In this video, I'm going to show you a way to make up to $100 per day on Facebook, creating simple fan pages and driving traffic from Facebook groups to our affiliate offers completely free. That is going to be a great way to make some extra money if you're broke and don't have a lot of money to invest. So if you're new to the channel, my name is JT. I post everything about making money online, CPA affiliate marketing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified when I release new videos. Also, I have a CPA affiliate marketing course on sale right now. So if you're interested in that, you can check it out in the description. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. So now let's go over the steps for this tutorial. First things first, we got to pick an offer from the Maxbounty CPA network. Second step is building a landing page for it. I'm going to be using Weebly. It's a free option because a lot of people, they don't have the paid tools like ClickFunnels and InstaBuilder, Thrive, and lead pages and things like that. So I'm gonna just start using the free options of making these tutorials. Then third step is creating a fan page for it on Facebook. And then after we got our fan page up and running, we're gonna find viral content in our niche and download it. And then we're gonna join and post in active groups in our niche. It's a big difference than joining just any groups. So then the last step, of course, is to make money at the end of all of this. So now let's actually go over to the first step, which is heading over to Maxbounty to pick our offer. So now that we over on Maxbounty, here's the offer I'm gonna be using for this video. It's called Barkbox. It's like a monthly dog subscription service where they send treats out every month to them. You can see purchase of a gift Barkbox subscription, $8 per lead. And you got the 1 month subscription for $20 per lead. So in this offer, you're getting paid anywhere from $8 to $20, which is cool. 100 actions per day. We're already approved for it, so you don't have to apply for it. United States and Canada allowed with an EPC of 47 cents. Cool. Then we got the restrictions, no Instagram promo, coupon sites, not brand bidding. This is when you doing like search advertising, so this don't apply to us. We doing Facebook fan page traffic. So, and as you can see right here, it does allow Facebook, so we are actually good to go with this offer. Now, if you're not in Maxbounty, I definitely recommend you go check out the my Maxbounty tutorial on how to get approved into Maxbounty within a day. I've been getting a lot of feedback, people getting into Maxbounty from my tutorials. So, and if you don't like Maxbounty, you can always go and search for this offer on Offer Vault. Or basically, let me show y'all. Offer Vault is like a database of all the CPA offers. So if you're not in Maxbounty but you run a particular offer, you can just search for it over here and see what other networks have an offer. As you can see, 13 results. Here's all the networks that this offer is in. As you can see, Maxbounty, exactly. Oh, and this network too. I didn't even know it was over here. I'm approved into this network also. So I definitely recommend. This is a verified network. So I didn't got paid from them multiple times. So this is a legitimate network, the same exact offer. So I said, if you don't like Maxbounty, of course, you can always come over here, join this network. I heard about this network, but I'm not approved into there. So yeah, that's just my recommendation. But now that we picked our offer, let's actually go over to the next step. All right, so I'm over on Weebly. As I said, it's time to make the landing page. I already did the landing page just to speed up this video. As you can see, we could actually go check out the landing page right here. Simple. No, everything, like I said, when I'm making my landing pages, I like to make my stuff so simple and to the point. I don't like to give them a lot of options. You either go into my offer or you're not. I was going to actually, go through the whole process of finding the images, the text and all that stuff. Let me know in the comment section if y'all want to see more of that, because I normally just like to show y'all the landing pages. Y'all can just rip it from there. Just let me know in the comment section if y'all want to see more of that. But everything on this page, you can open in a new tab, save the picture, swipe, you can copy everything on here. Same thing. This image, you can copy it, open a new tab, save the image, boom, upload it on to whether you're using Weebly, ClickFunnels, or any other landing page builder. All you gotta do is just copy and paste everything I'm using. Even this is a picture. I got this off of Google. All I did was search. I don't know exactly what I searched to get this button, but I probably just orange call to action button, or orange buy button. You'll see a ton of buttons you can just rip from there. And then when they go from here, they click the image or the call to action button. They go straight to the offer. As you can see, I see they just updated this to the pink stuff. So what I do is go back and edit, maybe throw in some type of Valentine's Day, or maybe I just copy this little section right here and throw on my landing page just so it's congruent with the offer. So yeah, that's pretty much that, man. You can go check it out. Barkbox coupon 2019 .weebly.com. So now we got our landing page set up. Let's actually go to the next step, which is creating our fan page. All right, so here's the page I made for this niche, Doggy Dog's World. Very simple and clean. For my profile picture, all I did was search Google for funny dog picture, downloaded that. And for this, all I did was search dog wallpaper, download it, upload it. I mean, I'm not about to go through creating a fan page. Y'all should know how to set it up. If not, you could just come here and when you click on manage pages, if you have a business account, you should go to manage pages and create a fan page from there. It's pretty easy to set up. Now, before we get into the post to make on the page, let's actually go to the settings first. Show y'all some mandatory things. You want to make sure your page is published. Once you create it, add the profile picture and the cover art, make sure your page is published. Another thing you can do, which is optional, you could go down to page moderation. You can have certain keywords that you want to block. So say, for instance, you posting a video on your page and people hating, saying stuff like, oh, this is a scam or spam, anything. You can block certain words. So whenever they comment it, you don't even have to delete it automatically. You don't have to delete it yourself. It'll delete it automatically. So you can see scam, spam, BS, fake. You just hit enter every time and then just save changes. Now, the last step is actually going over to the messaging tab and setting up your response assistant. So basically, anybody that send a message to your page, you get an automatic reply. Get your dog a monthly surprise of dog toys and treats as the perfect gift. And I got the link to my landing page. Then you just hit save. So now for the pin post, only thing I did was found a video of, found an ad video for the Barkbox and just downloaded it. You can go to their Facebook page, go to their video tab. Whenever you find a video you like, if you're on a PC, you can just right click, show video URL, copy it, head over to fbdown.net, paste the video link, enter. And normally give you two options. Do you want to download normal quality or HD? I always go with HD. So you can see, boom, you'll download it, then just upload it on your page. The next step is actually making a pin post. So let me see, since I already got it, let me show y'all what it looked like. So for this example, if I just download this video again and upload it on the page, what you'll do is click the little icon right here and hit pin to top of page. If I did it right now, it just replaced the one I got up here. So that's all you'll do. You set up your instant replies, you set up the page moderation, your page is published, and you got your pin post. Now you're ready to find some viral content to post on the page that we are going to use to market in our Facebook groups. So let's actually go over and find some viral pages. All right, so the key to finding viral content that we could post on our page, what I normally do is head over to the search and type in dog lovers and scroll over and click on pages. So what you could do is, you see these fan pages like this with a ton of likes, you can just open a new tab. So that's one we could use. Let's see, we could use this one. Maybe we could use this one. Got almost 1 million likes. So what you could do, you could download images or videos. Really, I think videos or the memes of the dogs, those work best. from my experience. Let's see. Yeah, this page is really, really active. Look at this. Posted it 30 minutes ago. Already getting some engagement. What I like to do to find the most viral videos, just click on a video tab. Just let it load. And I just pick the ones with the most views, and then just download it and upload on my page. I copy the caption and everything. So 1 second. Like this. You can even download their feature video. What you'll do, copy, like I said, right click, show video URL, copy it. That's why it's going slow, because I'm okay. Trying to load those other pages up. Let me see. X out of those. Computer can go a little faster. There we go. So yeah, you just paste whatever videos you find that's going viral. As you can see, download in HD. You'll upload that with the same caption. So you'll go, or you can change it up however you want to do it. It really don't matter. This funny little dog knows how important it is to brush his teeth. This is funny though. It's got 4.7 million views. So that's something that you can upload on your page and share in the Facebook groups to push it, which in turn will bring more traffic and eventually sales to our offer. That's why we make the pin post on our page. But yeah, let's see. 19K, 100K. This would be one that I take. That's a long video. I normally like the shorter ones. Like this seemed like that could be funny. Like this, 74K. I take that one. Maybe this one. Definitely this one. 1.1 million views. Who wouldn't take it? So, you're just searching for dog related pages, fan pages that got over. You normally want to pick the pages that got over 100K likes, just because those are most likely the ones that's going viral. So, like I said, you'll do right click, take the URL. No, I have to keep going over this, but head over to fbdown.net, rip your videos. Now on your page, I definitely recommend you posting like 3 times a day at least, just to keep the engagement going. You can see, copy the caption, boom, there you go. So now that's pretty much how I find viral content to post on my pages. Now the next step is actually marketing and posting in the groups. So let me go over that. All right, so when I'm looking for groups, active groups to join, first thing I did, well, for this video in particular, I just searched dog lovers, since that's our niche. One thing I like to take note of, it's not so much, it's not all about 100,000 members and all this and that, because I done joined a lot of groups with members of this size, and the groups is still dead. So I done been in groups with 1,000, 2,000 members with hundreds of likes and things like that. So, for example, this is a group that I'm a part of. We love dogs. So let's actually check it out. This group has 68,000 members, so that's already a good sign. And then somebody shared a post yesterday, a new member, 300 likes, 40 comments, 10 shares. These are the type of groups that you want to be posting in. Here we go. An hour ago, all this sweet. 50 likes, 4 comments, perfect. See, he even promoting his own website. That's what I'm saying. You join these groups, join these active groups, no matter really the size. You join the active groups and posting your content in it. Look at this. Somebody just shared this yesterday and got 2,000 likes, 150 comments. That's just, yeah, these are the type of groups you want to join. You want to join a few of these a day, and throughout the day, maybe post once or twice in these groups. Here's an example. Wait, let me see. I had it in my notifications. I posted. There we go. I posted in one of my other dog groups yesterday. I made one post. I think I got like 100 likes on it. It's about to show up right here. See, made it yesterday. 103, 104 likes, 2 comments, 8 shares, a couple comments. And from that, yeah, I got some. I think I got a few likes on my fan page, some shares, and all that. So, like I said, just a numbers game, man. Don't expect to, you make one post and oh, you ain't make no money, so it don't work. No, it's people that do this like religiously. They posting every single day. They joining the new groups, adding members, and then another thing you could do also. I didn't even put it on the steps. What you could do is download the toolkit for Facebook and for Chrome if you're using Chrome, and actually go over to the members section. It's a creative way to get some more fans to your fan page. You can scroll down members with things in common. You can hit see more and then click on the toolkit for Facebook and add all these people. Oh wait, I meant to right click. So yeah, when you want a page where you see where you can add people, you can just right click and automate this. Or look at this, click add all friends button, and you can basically add everybody on this page. And the next thing you would do is everybody that accepted your friend request, you can invite them to like your fan page that you just made. So not only are you building your fan page from posting in the groups, you adding the members in these groups to invite to your fan page to build your likes up even faster. So that's all it is, man. It's just a numbers game. The more eyeballs you bring to your profile, the more chances you have to sell your offer. That's why we make our pin posts. So whenever new people come to our page, they click over to our landing page, and if they're interested, they buy our offer, and we make our commission. So you can just imagine it's people that's doing this. I did this in another niche. I'm new to the pets niche, and I'm just now getting a taste of it. But yeah, it's people doing this in this niche that's making hundreds a day. I know a friend personally doing the cats niche, and he's making a killing off of it right now, selling t-shirts. So yeah, man, that's pretty much the method, man. Find these groups. Some groups is closed. I don't know if I explained that already, but some of these groups you won't be able to see if it's active or not until you join it. So yeah, join the closed groups, join the open groups. Yeah, once you get approved into the closed groups, you want to because you'll get a notification when you get approved, and you want to actually check it out. And if it's getting engagement like this, you want to stay in the group. If it's not, and it's a dead group, you want to remove yourself and don't add yourself to those groups ever again. You just find the active groups, post any of your viral content that you get from the other fan pages, and just building. It's just, it's not a one night thing. You got to just keep building this stuff. And, eventually the sales start trickling in, and, you could potentially make hundreds of dollars a day with this method. So yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you liked the video, leave a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I like to post everything CPA, affiliate marketing, making money online. Leave a comment down below, man. Let me know what you think of this method. Are you doing this? Have you tried this before? Leave it down below. Y'all know I reply to everybody. And yeah, man. Oh, if you haven't picked up my CPA marketing course, it's on sale right now, still for only $10. You can go pick that up. And yeah, man, that's all I got for this video. I'm out.